Today, we're diving into the heart of the Caribbean, exploring the beautiful and diverse island of Saint Lucia. Get ready to be swept away by the rhythm of island life and the magic of Saint Lucia. Welcome to our countdown of the 12 best things to do in Saint Lucia. Let's start with number 12. First up, the majestic Pitons. These iconic twin peaks are a must-see for any visitor to Saint Lucia. These volcanic peaks, Gros Piton and Petit Piton, rise dramatically from the Caribbean Sea. They dominate the island's skyline, a reminder of Saint Lucia's volcanic origins. Hiking Gros Piton offers breathtaking views of the island and sea. Don't miss this iconic experience. Prepare for a unique experience at Sulfur Springs Park, home to the world's only drive-in volcano. You can drive right up to the edge of this geothermal field and witness the bubbling mud pits and steaming vents up close. Experience the unique volcanic mud baths, believed to have rejuvenating and detoxifying effects on the skin. Afterward, rinse off under the nearby waterfall and feel refreshed and invigorated. Sulfur Springs Park offers a glimpse into the island's volcanic heart and is an experience you won't soon forget. Sink your toes into the soft, golden sands of Anse Chastanet Beach, a secluded paradise renowned for its tranquility and exceptional snorkeling. Framed by lush hillsides and the majestic Pitons, Anse Chastanet offers a picture-perfect setting for a day of relaxation in underwater exploration. The calm, clear waters here are home to a vibrant coral reef teeming with marine life. Grab a snorkel and mask and dive into a world of colorful fish, graceful sea turtles, and fascinating coral formations. After your underwater adventure, relax on the beach, soak up the sun, and enjoy the serene beauty of this Caribbean gem. Step back in time at Pigeon Island National Park, a historic gem connected to the mainland by a causeway. Once a strategic military base, the island is now a national landmark offering stunning views, historical ruins, and secluded beaches. Explore the remnants of 18th century military forts, wander through the on-site museum, and climb to the top of Signal Hill for panoramic vistas of the coastline. Pigeon Island National Park is a beautiful blend of history, nature, and adventure, making it an ideal spot for a day trip filled with exploration and discovery. Enjoy the open sea and breathtaking coastline with an unforgettable catamaran cruise. Set sail along the crystal-clear waters, feeling the gentle Caribbean breeze in your hair as you soak up the stunning coastal scenery. Most catamaran cruises offer opportunities for swimming, snorkeling, and even dolphin watching. Whether you opt for a romantic sunset cruise or a lively day trip with music and refreshments, a catamaran adventure is a fantastic way to experience the island's charm from the water. Don't miss this unique experience. Immerse yourself in the lush tropical beauty of Diamond Falls Botanical Gardens, a sensory experience that will captivate your senses. Stroll through vibrant pathways adorned with exotic flowers, cascading waterfalls, and lush foliage. The gardens are home to a variety of medicinal plants, once used by the indigenous people for their healing properties. You'll even find the Diamond Waterfall, a cascading wonder that changes color throughout the day due to the mineral content in the water. Whether you're a nature enthusiast or simply seeking a tranquil escape, Diamond Falls Botanical Gardens offers a serene and enchanting experience. Don't miss the chance to explore the beautiful nature reserves of Saint Lucia, where diverse wildlife and scenic views await. Nestled on the western coast of Saint Lucia, Marigot Bay is a picturesque natural harbor that has captured the hearts of sailors and travelers alike. Surrounded by lush hillsides and dotted with luxury yachts, Marigot Bay exudes tranquility and sophistication. Once a pirate hideout and Dr. No filming location, it retains an aura of adventure. Relax in the tranquil marinas and harbors. Marigot Bay is a true gem of Saint Lucia. Experience the thrill of ziplining through the lush rainforest canopy of Saint Lucia. Feel the adrenaline rush as you soar through the air, surrounded by breathtaking views of the verdant landscape below. As you zip from platform to platform, you'll be immersed in the heart of the rainforest, surrounded by towering trees and vibrant flora. Ziplining in Saint Lucia is an unforgettable experience that combines adventure with the island's natural beauty. Enjoy the lively music and dance culture of Saint Lucia at the Gros Islet Friday Night Street Party, a weekly celebration of music, food, and local life. The streets come alive with Caribbean music, drawing everyone to join the festivities. Sample delicious street food, from barbecued seafood to traditional dishes, all while soaking up the lively atmosphere. Don't miss this vibrant celebration. Embark on a scenic hike along the Tet Paul Nature Trail, a moderately challenging trail that rewards hikers with breathtaking panoramic views. As you ascend through lush vegetation, you'll be treated to glimpses of the iconic Pitons, the sparkling Caribbean Sea, and the rolling hills of the surrounding landscape. The trail is well maintained and offers several lookout points where you can pause to catch your breath and soak up the scenery. Saint Lucia offers many hiking trails with stunning vistas, making it a paradise for outdoor enthusiasts seeking unforgettable views. Dive into the heart of local life at Castries Market, a bustling hub of activity where you can experience the true flavors and crafts of Saint Lucia. The air is a sensory explosion, filled with the aromas of fresh spices, tropical fruits, and local delicacies. Browse through stalls overflowing with colorful produce, from exotic fruits and vegetables to fragrant spices and herbs. This is a great opportunity to interact with friendly locals, practice your bargaining skills, and perhaps even pick up some unique souvenirs to take back home. Castries Market is an essential stop on your St. Lucian adventure. Indulge in the vibrant markets and delicious cuisine, making your visit a true sensory delight. Dive into the serene and tranquil underwater world of Anse Cochon, a secluded bay renowned for its exceptional snorkeling and diving opportunities. The underwater world here is teeming with life, from colorful fish and graceful sea turtles to vibrant coral reefs and fascinating marine creatures. Whether you're an experienced diver exploring the deeper reefs or a beginner snorkeling near the surface, Anse Cochon offers a world of underwater wonders to discover. After your underwater adventure, relax on the pristine beach, soak up the sun, and enjoy the tranquil ambiance of this hidden gem. From the majestic Pitons to the vibrant culture and underwater wonders, Saint Lucia offers a captivating blend of natural beauty, adventure, and relaxation. Whether you're seeking an adrenaline-fueled escape, a romantic getaway, or a family-friendly vacation, this Caribbean paradise has something to offer everyone. As you've seen, there's no shortage of incredible experiences to be had in Saint Lucia. Thank you for joining our countdown of the 12 best things to do in Saint Lucia. We hope you enjoyed it and are inspired to visit this beautiful island. Don't forget to like this video if you found it helpful, and subscribe to my channel for more travel inspiration. Until next time, keep exploring.